sleep with your boss to get you a contract? Do you even know how that sounds? Like you're easy to trust me for anything, eh?
Come on, babe, don't say that now. Eh? This 200 million naira we are talking about. Hey, do you know that with this money now we are going to pay off our house?
Okay.
You don't need to pay rent anymore. You will start your business, start your new business. We will see money to fund it. Our children, they don't need to suffer the way me and you suffering. This money is a lot for us. Eh? Besides, I know that you don't like sex. At least it's a new way for you to explore.
Like, are you okay? What do you mean? Why is that a slut to you?
Come on, baby, I'm not saying that. Come on. You know how much I care about you. You know how much I love you. You know when you are talking to another guy, you know how jealous I used to get. You are the one that said I'm obsessed with you because I always want you around me. Eh? Me and you, we didn't come from money. This is an opportunity for us to get out of poverty.
See, babe, I can actually do this, so but you're going to use it against me tomorrow. I know how men think.
Come on, don't say that. For real, why? Why will I do that?
Okay.
Oh, okay, no problem. But you have to give me some time. Let me sleep overnight, okay? Please. Babe, I'm back. Guess what?
Yeah, what's that?
I just won a 2 billion naira contract.
2 billion naira.
Yes, baby. But there is a little problem.
Okay, what is it?
So, he's gay and he likes you and he'd like to sleep with you.
Sleep with me. I'm running gay now. You know I'm not gay.
See, babe, this contract is worth 2 billion naira. And he says if it's not you, I can't get it. And he's ready to do anything for you. He finds you attractive and he feels you're sexy and he knows you. So he just wants you to just sleep with him and voila, we get the contract.
Okay.
What do you mean before you will give us contract? I can't do it, bro. I'll buy.
See, babe, do this for us now. For you and I. You know how much we need this money?
We don't need it.
Babe, we'll need it.
Hey, we don't need this contract.
We need it.
I said we don't need this contract.
We need it, though.
I'll go and call your brother. So that I here, you can go and carry your brother and give them.
I see call he wants you and he is going to get you. We need this contract.